What's up, all my Yamaha Grizzly friends? Today I'm going to be adding front and rear A-arm skids and also the engine and frame skid on the bottom of the machine. Let's get this project started. We got one 8mm bolt right there in the front. We went ahead and took that out. This is our front left A-arm, and you have different size connectors here. You have a small one here, small one back here, and a large one up front here. And you'll know this is the front because you have this piece right here where the bolt is going to go through and connect to there on your A-arm. So we're going to go ahead and connect that one first, so then we can work on getting everything else in place. The stock bolt you took out was an 8mm. The bolt you're going to be putting in your A-arm guards here is a 10mm. You just want to get that started. You want to leave enough room in there that you can get the mounting hooks in place. Before we get too far into this, Yamaha does recommend taking off the front tires and wheels so that way you can put the A-arm guards on even easier. Now that we have our front tires removed and we have our jack stands in place, we're going to go ahead and move these hooks to where they're going to mount right up to the A-arms. Now that we got all of our hooks in place, we're going to go ahead and start snugging them up. We have them all snugged up for now, then we'll go back and we'll use our torque wrench on them and tighten them to specs. Once you have your front left guard on, all you have to do is go to the other side and do the same exact thing and then move to the back. Now we're back here to the rear skids. We've removed the tires so we can get to the skids a lot easier. This is an 8mm. So this is a 4mm, and then your nut in here is the world famous 10mm. This is the left side rear, and we're going to go ahead and mount it up like this, and you'll see where the black cushion pads are. That's where the A-arm is going to go. This mounting hook is going to go right here, and then this hole right here is where you took this nut and bolt out of. We're going to go ahead and put that back in there, and then the other ones are going to use your 10mm bolts that come with the A-arms. So you're going to have a 10mm here, 10mm here, and then your hook clamp is up in here, and then this is where the hardware goes that you retain to put back on the front. Now we're going to go ahead and install this frame engine skid right here. This is the factory one. We're going to go ahead and take that one off. We're going to remove these 10mm bolts. There's 6 bolts in total for that lower skid. The first thing you want to do is you want to tuck that skid up in underneath that front bash plate. We're using the stock front bash plate, so we're going to go ahead and tuck that in there. All right, we have that installed. Well, there we go, guys. The skids look great. The install was easy. If you want even more information, you can go to YamahaMotorsports.com or your local Yamaha dealer.